Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. In the box or container in this case, you'll find the Mi Band 3, the wristband, proprietary charging cable, and some documents that you would not read. Let's take off the sticker and connect it to our phone. While it is connecting and updating, let me tell you guys the reason I'm buying it. I was the original Mi Band user, and the reason I buy the original Mi Band is mainly for the sleep tracking. Yes, at that time I'm quite stressed out until my sleeping is not normal. Since at that time, option for fitness tracker is quite limited and expensive for simple fitness tracker for sleep tracking, and Mi Band is the cheapest option. It took Xiaomi quite a while to bring the original Mi Band into Malaysia, and I just shipped it directly from China. The original Mi Band only lasted me around 2 years, and it just gave up on me. The reason I skipped Mi Band 2 is because by the time it reached Malaysia, Mi Band 3 already selling in China. So here we are today, unboxing the Mi Band 3. As compared to the original Mi Band 3 looks a lot nicer with the rounded glass. The whole screen is touchable and it is OLED. You can expect good battery life. Talking about battery life, Xiaomi claimed that Mi Band 3 can last up to 20 days. For sure, I will test it out and report to you guys. Mi Band 3 can also submerge into water up to 50 meters thanks to the 5 ATM rating. That is all for this unboxing. I might do a review after testing it 1 week and also 1 month, or I might combine both and do a 1 month review. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for the review video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.